In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Common Bank tap and pay feature. So before using tap and pay feature, you need to make sure that your device has NFC supported, because for tap and pay, NFC is required. So if your device supports NFC, simply open Common Bank app, and then simply all you need to do is just log in your account and then click on this phone icon at the top. So simply click on that. This icon will only appear if your device support NFC. So once you click on that, this will show you all the cards that you own. So from them, simply select the specific card that you want to enable and use tap and pay feature for. So simply select that card and then simply click on this next button. Then it will display all the tap styles that you can use. The first one is wake and tap. So you need to wake your phone screen without the need to unlock, and then you can tap the terminal to pay the money. And the second method is unlock and tap. For this you have to unlock your phone and then tap the terminal to pay. And the third one is first you have to open the Common Bank app and then enter your phone security lock, and then you can tap the terminal to pay. So you can choose any of them and then simply click on this next button, and once you do that, your tap and pay feature will be enabled. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.